Alright guys, what started as a big joke right now, look at it. It's my channel where I discuss about crypto and trading in general. Keep uploading every single day, and this is my channel. I really thank you guys for really keying into it. I can remember December 31st of last year, I made my first 1,000 views. And right now, you guys have given me almost 3,000 views in additional. Thank you guys, and 3,000 subscribers in additional. I really appreciate you guys. It's a channel of almost you can see right here, a channel of almost 400,000 views. I discussed how YouTube is for beginners in Africa, especially. One of the videos, you can check that. Just scroll down on my channel, you're going to see that video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the coin I'm buying. So there's how you can divide your Binance. I have two Binance, but there's how you can divide your Binance. Like you can have your wallet. There's a way you can do it. So I separated all my money into one particular wallet on Binance, and I am going to be investing $500, and every money YouTube pays me every month, I'm going to be investing it. Every single penny, I'm going to invest them in crypto. So I'm going to be investing them in both some of the coins that I've mentioned before. I'm going to be showing you guys all that. So stick to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So let's monitor and see because remember guys, I started YouTube last month, as October 1st of 2020. I started uploading every day. I started way back, but I started uploading every day. I took it very serious. And now this time next year, I want you guys to follow me up and see how much. I'm going to be giving you guys a breakdown of what these coins have been doing. Let me say maybe every 2 months I'm going to be making a video about that every 2 months on my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys the coins that I'm buying, and we're going to monitor them, and let's see how much it's going to be. I know somebody who Andre Jack is a YouTuber also. He started his own YouTube channel about 4 years ago, and every money made from YouTube, he invested them back in crypto. So I really love that kind of challenge. You guys already know my YouTube channel is challenge. I challenge myself to upload every day, and now I want to invest all the money made from YouTube back into cryptocurrencies and see what it's going to be like in 1 year. You guys already know I'm very good at telling when price will fall and when price will rise. So now I have my Gate.io app and I have my Binance. So I'm supposed to open a KuCoin, but most of the coins I have already in my interest are available on Gate.io and Binance. So on Binance, you can see I have FTM on the list there. I have FTM, I have OKEX, I have SafePower, I have Olo, I have Theta, I have Coin98, I have, okay, that's not, this one's okay, I have Wink, all right, I have STPT, all right. So Binance is not among that. Binance, that's just like an extra bonus given to me. So I'm going to do all the calculations so you guys can see. So also I have IDEX. So IDEX, STPT, Win. There are about 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9 of them, guys. And I started this with $90. All right. So right now I started with $90. You can see the account right here is 145. I'll not be able to calculate this particular $100 I put in, but I started with $100. So you can see the prices right here. You can see FTM is already $20. I invested $10. You can see the next one is IOTX, is already $18. The next one is SafePower. SafePower is already $17. I invested $10 each. You guys already know my rules. I invest $10 in most of these coins. Now I have some of these coins in my other Binance, like bigger amounts, but these ones I want to start again. I want to see how this thing grows. I want to track them. So I'm buying these coins that are of my interest. You can see the quantity I'm buying. IOTX is 130, FTM about 8 of it. So you can see out about 1,000 of it. So but that does not really matter. What really matters is this. So far, if I should minus what I have for BNB, I have about $10 on BNB. So far so good. I have made about $32. So if I minus those other smaller coins that are below, but that I'm not tracking, so all of them all together have made me about I invested about $90 on these coins, and right now I have about 132. So I have made about $40 in the last 1 week. So all of them have been going up. They have been doing fine, except for STPT. You can see STPT over there and IDEX. Both of them have been doing poorly. So I bought STPT $100. You can see it's $9. It went down to $8. I bought IDEX at $10. You can see IDEX says $6. You can see right here it says $6. And this one also, Wink, behaved poorly. I bought $10. So among all of them, only Wink and STPT and IDEX have been performing poorly. The rest has been performing very well, and FTM, IOTX, and SafePal have been doing so well. So now let's move to Gate.io. Let me show you guys the coins I have there on Gate.io. So, but first, I'm going to show you guys also how much YouTube has paid me so far. So quickly, I think I can find it. Manage videos. So I'm going to show you guys quickly. YouTube has paid me somewhere around $500, but I want you guys to see it. So now YouTube has paid $500, but right here I've invested about $90. That's very close to $200. That's because I'm still doing my research on so many coins. I'm still digging deep so I can, bring some of the best coins and invest the remaining $300 or $320 into this. So this is my YouTube analytics. You guys already know by now I'm very transparent with whatever I do. So I really don't know what to use this $500 for. I've withdrawn them and I just have to buy. I'm buying back crypto with the money. So I don't know what to use this $500 for. That's the reason why I'm investing them. Taking up this new challenge for the next 1 year. I'm going to invest them all into crypto. So I'm going to tune this from 28 days. I'm going to tune this to the last 365 days, which is just over 1 year. I started, so you can see 622, but I've not been paid I've not been paid $122. Last I got was about 500, almost 500. I think 490 something, 499 or so, almost $500. This one is just been added. So, but maybe late November I'm going to withdraw about $122. So guys, this is everything I've made right now. So I'm going to be investing all of that into these cryptos. So I'm going to be showing you guys from my phone. So I'm just going to click on wallet. So now I invested about $95, and in 2 weeks time I'm seeing about $130 right here. So I'm just going to click on deposit so you guys can see exactly that. You see my deposit history, and see so far I've only deposited about $95. I didn't add any coin, so I am selecting the best coin. So now we're on a bullish run. That means there are so many coins is going to be moving up, but some are going to do better. That's the reason why I'm investing on these coins. So I'm just going to click on history right here. You can see it says 95.69 USDT. So that's exactly what I've invested. And which coin did I really buy? So that I'm saying before, there are coins that are going to do well. There's some that are not going to do very well. So I'm investing in those ones that are going to do very well. Now, you guys already know that I didn't buy ADA. I really don't like that coin. I think he's overhyped. Dogecoin and ADA, I think those coins are overhyped, and I did not buy them. And you guys can see today we're on a bullish one, and these coins are not moving at all. So good luck if you bought those coins. Right now we bought so many coins that are doing very crazily well. Just looking at this account alone, you can see. So right now I have Vulcan Vulture. I talked about this. I have Opulus. I also talked about this on my YouTube channel. Scroll down and see why I'm buying them. I talked about Atlas Game, Singularity Dial. I didn't talk about this, but all these coins you see here, remember I invested $95. So Singularity Dial, you can see I have $15. Beat Dial, I have $11. NFT trade, I bought $10, still at $10. Dio and Dio marker, I bought at $10, still at still no. I bought Dio maker, I think $5 or so. GT token, these other ones are just bonuses, which are not even up to $1. So you can see I bought PRY at $20. So if you calculate all of them, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you can see I bought them all 95. I think I bought Singularity Dio for $15. I think I bought it at $15. I could not remember, but I think I bought it at $15. So you can see, guys, these are the coins I'm holding at the moment, and these are the coins I'm going to be adding more very soon. That's all about this. That's what this video is all about. So more YouTube pay me, I'm going to still keep adding to this, and let's see how this grows in 1 year. So I'm going to be updating you guys every 2 months. To stay around, you can follow me up and do the same thing, and let's make a few millions out of a few thousand, hundreds of thousands of dollars from this cryptocurrency market. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe out there.